Welcome to the world of yoga. Yoga is a practice that has been around for centuries, and it is all about creating a balance between body and mind. It is a holistic approach to health and wellness, and it incorporates physical postures, breathing exercises, relaxation techniques, and meditation. This video is designed to help you learn more about all of these aspects of yoga and how to incorporate them into your own practice. We'll explore the different postures, breathing techniques, and relaxation and meditation practices, as well as offering some tips on how to incorporate yoga into your everyday life. Join me as we learn and practice together. What are asanas? Asanas are physical postures used to improve physical and mental health. They are often used in conjunction with pranayama, yoga, breathing, and meditation. Asanas can be active or passive and can range from simple stretching postures to more intense balance and strength training postures. Common beginner yoga postures. There are many postures to choose from, and the beginner will want to focus on postures that are simple and don't require much strength or balance. Some of the most popular beginner postures include child's pose, warrior one, triangle pose, downward dog, easy seated, and cat-cow. Benefits of incorporating postures into one's practice. The practice of asanas can have many physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Physically, asanas can help to increase strength and flexibility, build muscle, improve balance and posture, reduce stress and tension, improve circulation and respiration, and protect the body from injury. Mentally and emotionally, asanas can help to reduce anxiety and depression, improve focus and concentration, and cultivate a sense of calm and balance. Different types of postures. There are many different types of postures that one can explore. These include standing postures, seated postures, inversions, twists, back bends, and arm balances. Each pose has its own unique set of benefits and should be practiced with care and attention to proper alignment. Yoga breathing. Pranayama. Pranayama is a form of yoga that focuses on the breath, or prana in Sanskrit. Pranayama helps to restore balance to the body and mind and has many physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Pranayama can be practiced anywhere and can be tailored to fit into your lifestyle. Different pranayama practices range from lengthy and complex sequences to simple breath awareness exercises. One of the simplest pranayama practices is Nandi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. This practice allows for the body to be more relaxed and balanced. To practice, begin by sitting in a comfortable position and using the right hand for breathing. Place the index finger and middle finger of your right hand on your forehead. Close your right nostril with your right thumb and inhale slowly through your left nostril. At the peak of your inhalation, close your left nostril with your ring and pinky fingers and exhale slowly through your right nostril. Inhale again through the right nostril. Close the nostril with your thumb and exhale through the left. This is one full round of Nandi Shodhana. Continue for several rounds, or as long as you feel comfortable. Another pranayama practice is Kapalabhati, or skull shining breath. This practice is energizing and is best practiced in the morning or when you need an extra boost of energy. To practice, begin by sitting in a comfortable position. Inhale and contract your abdominal muscles to exhale deeply and powerfully. Repeat this pattern for several rounds, or as long as you feel comfortable. Pranayama can also be practiced in specific poses. One example is Ujjayi breathing, or victorious breath. To practice, find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes and take several deep breaths. Begin to breathe through your nose and slightly constrict your throat to make a ha sound as you exhale. Focus your attention on the sound and sensation of the breath, and practice for several rounds or as long as you feel comfortable. Pranayama helps to restore balance to the body and mind and can be tailored to fit into your lifestyle. Regular practice of pranayama can help to reduce stress, improve focus, and increase energy levels. It is important to remember that pranayama should be practiced with awareness and care. And as always, listen to your body. Relaxation and meditation. Relaxation and meditation have been a part of the ancient practice of yoga for thousands of years. By taking time out to relax and meditate, we can reduce stress and tension, enhance mental clarity, ease anxiety, and increase our ability to focus. Relaxation is the process of calming the body and mind. This can be as simple as taking a few slow deep breaths or lying down in a cozy spot and focusing on calming thoughts. It is important to allow ourselves time to relax and leave behind the stress and anxieties of day-to-day life. Meditation involves the practice of focusing the mind on the present moment, allowing yourself to observe and be aware of your thoughts without judgment. This can help to create a sense of inner peace and mental well-being. There are many different types of meditation practices and techniques that can be used to find a deeper sense of inner peace and relaxation. Common relaxation and meditation techniques include mindfulness meditation, mantra meditation, visualization, and breath awareness. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on being aware of the present moment. This can involve focusing on your breath or on a specific object such as a candle flame. Mantra meditation uses repetition of a single word or phrase to help to bring the mind back to the present moment when it starts to wander. Visualization techniques involve creating a peaceful mental image in your mind and spending time focusing on that image. And finally, breath awareness meditation involves paying close attention to the sensation of your breath as it moves in and out. The benefits of relaxation and meditation include improved mental clarity and focus, enhanced relaxation, improved sleep, self-awareness, and a greater sense of inner peace and calm. So take some time to yourself each day to relax and meditate. It can be a few moments of mindful breathing in the morning, or a longer meditation session in the evening. Whatever works best for your lifestyle. Dedicating even just a few minutes each day to relaxation and meditation can create a world of difference in your overall well-being. Incorporating yoga into your everyday life. Incorporating yoga into your everyday life is an important component of achieving total body health and wellness. There are many different approaches to this, depending on how much time and energy you have to dedicate to your practice. Start small by selecting a few postures, breathing exercises, and relaxation strategies that you want to focus on each day. Make sure that you are comfortable and safe in every posture, and always practice with moderation. Once you have your routine down, you can begin to add some variation. Try different postures or look into more advanced breathing exercises. Incorporating a daily meditation practice can also be a great way to deepen your yoga experience and to reduce stress. It is important to remember that yoga is not a competition. There is no need to push yourself too hard or too far too quickly. Listen to your body and take regular breaks if needed. Give yourself permission to take your practice wherever you feel comfortable. Incorporate yoga or some form of mindfulness into your daily life in a way that works for you. Whether it is a few minutes a day or longer sessions 1 or 2 times a week, yoga can help to relieve stress, increase strength and flexibility, and create more balance in your life. Safety. Safety is the most important aspect when it comes to your practice. There are a few important things to keep in mind when engaging in yoga postures and breathing techniques. It is important to avoid unnecessary strain or pressure when practicing yoga, and pain or discomfort should be avoided to prevent injury. Only practice poses that are within your comfort level and make sure to practice correct alignment and form to prevent injury. Always listen to your body and learn to recognize when it's time to stop. If you find yourself pushing the limits of your practice, take a break and come back to the pose when you're feeling more comfortable. When engaging in more advanced poses, ensure that you have a clear understanding of the correct alignment and form before progressing. It is recommended to have a qualified yoga instructor by your side to help guide your practice. It is also important to practice with awareness and never force yourself. Don't get too caught up in the goal of perfecting a pose and instead focus on learning from the experience and growing in your practice. Finally, be sure to practice with a layer of control, confidence, and kindness towards yourself. Remember, the practice of yoga is about cultivating a connection between your body, mind, and spirit. Yoga is an ancient practice that dates back thousands of years and encompasses body, breath, and mind. Though it is traditionally practiced on a mat, yoga is accessible and practical for use in everyday life. Through yoga postures, pranayama breathing techniques, relaxation and meditation, and mindful movement. Yoga is an effective tool for physical, mental, and emotional well-being. We hope this video has provided you with an introduction to yoga and some helpful tips to incorporate it into your lifestyle. Remember that learning and growing in your practice is an ongoing process. As you explore this ancient practice, stay safe and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness related videos. We post once or twice daily, so make sure you follow us for more on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching.